Hey friends, welcome to this new session of the human brain. How much do you know about the human brain? Let's learn from this 22 fun fact question and answers. We use only 10% of our brain. Is it a myth or fact? It's a myth that you use only 10% of your brain. You actually use all of it. Yes, even when you are sleeping. Neurologists confirm that your brain is always active. Brain versus supercomputer. Which one is the fastest? The world's fastest computer requires 24 million watts of power to operate, but our brains only require 20 watts and can operate about 1 lakh times faster. What is the speed of information transfer in our brain? Information transfer in our brain occurs at the rate equivalent to 260 miles per hour, that is 418.4 km per hour. How much watts of power can a human brain generate? The human brain can generate about 23 watts of power, enough to power a light bulb. All that power calls for some much needed rest. Advocate sleep helps maintain the pathway in your brain. Additionally, sleep deprivation can increase the buildup of a protein in your brain that is linked to Alzheimer's disease. How much does our brain weigh? An adult brain weighs about 3 pounds, that is 453.59 grams. It only represents 2% of our body's weight, that is about as much as half gallon of milk. However, size does not always imply intelligence. How much oxygen and blood does the brain require to function? Brain uses 20% of the oxygen and blood in your body. Why is water important for our brain to function? 73 to 75% of your brain is just water, which means that if you get dehydrated by more than 2%, you can suffer from a loss in attention, cognitive skills, and memory. How much percent of the brain is made of fat? 60% of the human brain is made of fat. Not only does that make it the fattiest organ in the human body, but these fatty acids are crucial for your brain's performance. Why is it important to pay close attention to a child's development in the early years? Babies' brains grow rapidly. A 2-year-old baby will have an 80% fully grown brain. This rapid development is why paying close attention to your child's development in the early years is so impactful to their ability as an adult. Why are elders better in planning and reasoning as compared to children? Your brain isn't fully formed until age 25. Brain development begins from the back of the brain and works its way to the front. Therefore, your frontal lobes, which control planning and reasoning, are the last to strengthen and structure connections. Which part of the brain controls reading, thinking, learning, speech, emotions, and planned muscle movements like walking? The cerebrum. The large outer part of the brain controls reading, thinking, learning, speech, emotions, and planned muscle movements like walking. It also controls vision, hearing, and other senses. Which part of the brain controls balance, coordination, and fine muscle control, posture, and equilibrium? The cerebellum, in the back of the brain, controls balance, coordination, and fine muscle control, example walking. It also functions to maintain posture and equilibrium. Which part of the brain controls fundamental body functions such as breathing, eye movements, blood pressure, heartbeat, and swallowing? The brain stem, sitting just above the spinal cord, controls fundamental body functions such as breathing, eye movements, blood pressure, heartbeat, and swallowing. Is the skull a single bone or different bones clubbed together? The skull is the bony framework of the head made up of 21 bones. Does eating seafood regularly improve your memory? Yes, of course. You can actually improve your memory if you choose to eat seafood regularly. The fatty acids in these foods improve the memory sorting parts of your brain. What is the effect of children who are deprived of touch, play, and interaction with others? Researchers from Baylor University have discovered that children who are deprived of touch, play, and interaction with others have 20 to 30% smaller brains than what is normal for their age. Child abuse can thus inhibit brain development in a child and negatively affect their lifetime brain development. How does the brain remember something for a long time? Every time that you remember something, you in turn strengthen that memory in your brain. Whenever the neural pathways of a memory are exercised, your brain makes new connections. The older and more times a memory has been remembered, the stronger that memory becomes. How many thoughts does the human experiences each day? Humans experience 70,000 thoughts each day. Why is it said that good smells can change our moods drastically? Our sense of smell is the only sense that is directly linked to our limbic system. This part of the brain specializes in physical, emotional, and psychological responses. This all means that good smells can change our mood drastically in a snap. Why does the brain need good nutrition? Good nutrition is incredibly important to brain health. Dieting can force the brain to start eating itself, and malnourished fetuses or infants can suffer from cognitive and behavioral deficits. Babies need proper nutrition because their brains use up to 50% of their total glucose supply. Another reason why they may need so much sleep. How does exercise help our brain? Physical exercise is important because it influences the rate of creation of new neurons in our brains. Mental exercise is important because it helps determine how those new neurons are used and how long they survive. Exercise slows our brain's cognitive decline, and increased physical activity over the norm can slow our brain's aging by 10 years. Why is music good for the brain? Listening to music is a great exercise for the brain. Your brain subliminally monitors melody, harmony, and rhythm at the same time. For this reason, music can improve our learning ability, coordination, and motor skills. Music helps the release of dopamine. Dopamine is the brain's motivational molecule, an organic chemical released by our neurons that boosts arousal, reward, motivation, and reinforcement. Music can help reduce the production of the stress hormone, cortisol, that in the long run affects our learning capability, memory, blood pressure, cholesterol, and can increase the chances of heart disease. Music is perceived through our senses, and as such it is analyzed by our right side of the brain, the emotional and creative hemisphere. This side is the most neglected of the two, as we use the left side more frequently for logic, analysis, math strategy, and make future plans. Activating the right side brings an increase of communication between the two hemispheres, allowing us to be more balanced, less stressed, and less anxious. How does reading exercise your brain? As you read, disparate parts of your body such as vision, language, and associative learning work together. According to one study, mental stimulation like reading can help protect memory and thinking skills, especially as you age. The act of reading helps to heighten overall brain function and increase memory. I hope this video helped you understand more than you did before. To stay updated with latest videos, subscribe Universal Knowledge.